Oh, hi. Good evening. I'm going to bed. But, guys, before I'm going to bed, I wanted to tell you something very, very important. I think all women want to have beautiful skin, want to have long, healthy hair. We want to live longer, be healthier, and we want to maintain healthy skin and hair. I want to talk today about something very important that not everybody talk, but I think it's very, very important about sleep. We sleep on average 7 to 8 hours every night. That is a 1/3 of our lives. So we have our head for 1/3 of our lives over here, like that, on the pillow. And have you ever thought that the wrong pillowcase can cause you premature aging? Here we go. I have a silk pillowcase from the company called Lily Silk. And what actually is silk? A real good quality silk, because not every silk is good silk. Some companies, they say it's a silk, but it's not silk. So this is a real silk. I can actually show you. This is a real mulberry silk, 100%. So silk actually is anti-aging for your skin. Your hair, it's not damaging, because if you have a cotton pillowcase, it can damage your hair. And look at this, my hair, because I've been sleeping on the silk pillowcase, it's quite long, I can't complain. By the way, this is also silk, because I love my hair, I love myself. So it's breathable, it's antibacterial, it's anti-aging, and you actually sleep better. Can you guys believe it? So Lily Silk, they have a multiple products made of silk, clothing, bed sheets, pillowcases, anything. Guys, go check out. They are super, super amazing. Of course, they are sponsoring this video. But guys, I only do and I only collaborate with the companies that I truly believe. This is my heart and my soul. I really, really love this pillowcase. All the information is gonna be down below in the description box. They also giving me a discount code for my followers. Check out, guys. And now I'm going to bed, and I don't want you to see me naked. Good night. Oh, so good. You still there?